What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz, Ryan, and Stockton back here with another video. Tonight we are assembling the transmission, and all that should be left after tonight is clutching the flywheel, toss it in. Yeah. Let's jump right to tonight's video. Right now, Stockton is cleaning the mating surfaces of the transmission to ensure a clean seal. Don't move it! I need a bigger tip.
Alright, double check me, bro. How we looking? We got uniform beading all the way through. Yeah. I mean, it's gonna squish.
Looking alright.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Hold that thing steady and I'll drop the gear set in. Okay. This thing's heavy. So this is the shift. The selector shaft has to go through that hole. I think the output shaft is gonna hit the ground before it mates. Okay. You know? Just heavy.
We good?
Can you try to drop it in?
Mm-hmm. Ready?
Yeah, I'll try to spot where it's sticking. Yep. Right. Take it out. Lift it up. Straight up. Yeah. So we gotta clean it off of there. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it might just be the bearing not wanting to fit.
Mm-hmm. I mean, I'm sure it fits. It's just It's just a tight fit.
Right. Okay.
This is what I have to.
This is much easier to hold. So.
Yeah. You see it?
Yeah. The selector rod didn't want to go through. Squeeze on your side.
Squeeze on my side?
Yeah, like squeeze them. Squat sandwich. Yeah, just like that. Good squirting going on. We can flip it upside down and put it face resting on this. Down where it was. Alright, the timer has started. We need to get this thing together in the next 20 minutes because we need to hand tighten the bolts or let them sit for like 40 minutes. Holy I didn't realize your drain plug's magnetic. All the shit on your drain plug. Oh wow. Missed all that when I took it apart. You like my butt crack?
Yeah.
Got a fat farmer's crack right now.
Yeah. Hello.
Hey man, so they put Alfredo sauce on our wings. They're making them again.
Bro. Yeah, that guy fit. I don't like him.
It's too big.
Yeah. It's too large. Just, I can't be around him like that. And his balls.
Dude, they're just hanging.
Yeah, like they hang a good, like, what would you say, like a foot?
On a bad
Balls are just so voluptuous.
I'm ready, bro.
Okay, man.
I'm scared. Bro. I'm so scared, bro.
Turn it this way. A little.
I'm just lining it up on the bearings. I'm not shit in the fork or the shafts. Shoot.
This one isn't supposed to have holes on this end, right? The bell housing.
That's solid. There's no bib. I need to come up. Go through that one first. And then that one gets up. It doesn't want to go.
Where's that pin for?
Oh no, bro.
Oh, you didn't put that on.
No, bro.
Oh no. We still gotta put the pin through it and dude.
Yeah, that's fine. That's totally okay. The problem is that. Oh, that helped. It took it with it though. So we're being held up by something else now. Over on this side.
No, it's going down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's on. Yeah. Yeah. Push that. Keep going.
It's in? No, it's good. It's good. It's good. We can put bolts in it now. Hold it. Are they all the same length? So those are all covered in RTV. Are ours any better?
I don't think so. Does RTV dry look good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, once it's like all ready to go in the car, some gashes right there.
That's
not
alright.
gonna matter.
Yeah, that doesn't seal out
Yeah.
or anything.
Once it's all ready to go, I'll be a lot more feely better.
Yeah, right now it just feels like it's so far away.
Yeah.
But it should be a lot of feely better after just tonight.
Oh yeah.
Nice car.
We're on YouTube right now.
Alright. Ready? Hold it.
This y'all's. Do we need your microwave?
Where is our sauces? Oh, they gave us one of each. Are you kidding me?
I'm back with the pizza, and the transmission is pretty much together at this point. Ryan, anything to note over the last 30 minutes I was gone?
A lot of
Yeah.
rushing. A lot of, yeah. Put the rear end on first.
Yeah.
And then realized I hadn't cleaned the actual belt housing.
Oh,
like the
man.
RTV goes.
Yeah,
So we had to do that.
little redo there.
We were rushing because we had to hand tighten the bolts first.
Well, they're together.
If that gets too hard, you ain't hand tightening. Don't want to spin a little bit? Dude, zoom in.
Dude! How many does it say we've done? 8. There's 8.
Yeah.
That thing's too smart.
That is scary, honestly.
Alright, let's just double up on all of them. You getting full rotations? Ah!
I'm going.
Do it again. Can you hold it still? Like just, yeah. Oh yeah, it's neutral.
Yeah, we're good. Yeah. So I thought we were good the last time.
No, we weren't. But I wanted to show you what second gear felt like.
Oh, he knows it.
Wait, actually,
Dude, he does know. He knows the feeling of it fucking exploding.
That was fifth.
that was 5th gear.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so if this was over that way and back,
Yeah.
your gear selector, because of the way the lever works.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Sorry.
Damn! It's helping.
Is it?
It's coming.
I feel like it definitely just did. It ran it down to the bottom.
Oh, it's bottomed out now.
Yeah,
You're
the
right.
bicycles are bottomed out.
When it goes in the middle, it's so annoying. World's most hammer ever.
Yeah. Hammer.
What if we just pin?
Did you guys? Did you snooze it again?
Alright, so I was sitting here editing this video and realized I did not film an outro. So we got the transmission all the way back together other than the clutch and the flywheel. We do have to button up a couple other things. All that can be done when we're putting in the clutch and the flywheel, probably sometime after New Year's. That is going to be it for today's video. Obviously with the Skyline being back, we have so much more content coming out on that super soon. We got to do the body work, as in the Bondo. We got to do the rust work, fix all that, take the kit off, and get it ready for the new kit in the paint, which should be here late January. Other than that, we've got some stuff for the truck coming on the way, and then the wagon. You guys know the deal. We're gonna get the hatch on and gonna get it sprayed eventually. I actually just finished up my first week at the new job. It's been going well. I have a good schedule. I like my coworkers, and gonna have a lot of extra money, 1, to save, and 2, to put into YouTube, put in the channel for you guys. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Fitz Miller, Ryan, Stockton, Braden, and Danny back here with another video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.